So who's ready for the live trading tomorrow? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions with a quick overall stock market update. Friendly reminder, you guys absolutely killed it. I asked you if you wanted me to host a free live trading session this Friday, which is going to be tomorrow morning at market open. You guys said yes. I asked for 1,000 likes and you guys killed it. So tomorrow at market open, I'm going to be hosting a free live session. It's going to be public on YouTube. All I literally ask you to do is click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. It's that little bell, and you will get alerted when it is that I go live. If you want to make sure that you don't miss it, the first link in the description of this video will be the link to the live stream for tomorrow. So I hope to see you there. It's up to you if you wake up on time at market open. I don't want to hear any excuses. I hope that you can join us. If you can't, then maybe you can watch the rerun. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We absolutely destroyed the market today. Overall, TQQQ 8.36% today. Part of my Learn Plan Profit group, I posted an update. I closed the day at $25,000 on the day. This was after yesterday's $20,000 day. Very grateful for it. But is this going to happen again? This is a question that everyone's asking. One of the things that I've tried to make everyone aware of, and again, it's a little bit more clear, and I hope that you guys could see it on the 1 hour time frame. Although I was someone that was personally invested in TQQQ, it's not in my best interest to make you all aware of, hey, it might be time to lock in profits, right? Because if you guys sell, supposedly there's more selling pressure. But my job on here on YouTube is not just to look out for myself, but it's to look out for the beginner trader. So I hope that that's what you take it as. I'm not expecting you guys to sell, but I want you to be aware of not just the good, but also the bad. This moving average, you guys can see dating back to the beginning of April, right? 406. We broke below this moving average, which is this green line. Every time that it tries to recover, gets rejected, gets rejected, gets rejected, gets rejected, gets rejected. And today was one of the first days that we began to trade above this 1 hour moving average. Now, is one day, let me ask you this, is one day of a green day an overall confirmation of a reversal? No. Let's get that out of our head. If the past 5 months have taught us anything, it's that we should be selective. We should not be certain that the market's going to recover right away. This is why I encourage you, and I like making our beginner traders aware of, hey, if you wanted to either reduce your position size or lock in profits to play it safe, I understand. And that's why I like making these videos, to update you not just on what I hope the market does, but also preparing for the worst case scenario. And I feel like that's really what the market has instilled in us in the past 5 months, is that you can never be too certain, right? Especially during very uncertain times. With that being said, I'm very excited for tomorrow and to see how the market actually trades. I think it's going to be a very exciting live trading session. And again, I hope to see some of you guys there, but I wanted to show you the NASDAQ market, the futures market. It's actually open right now. It's not down very much. Markets have not really pulled back too much. And what I wanted to share with you are significant levels. We could see that there's been a very common resistance level right around, right around 12,500 to 12,600. And this is for the NASDAQ market, right? You could see this very common resistance level. And this is more in like the middle and beginning of May. We're towards the end right now, and we had a really nice push the past 2 days. Very grateful for it. But let's be honest, right? We cannot think that we're going to make an overall reversal when we have these previous resistance levels that we have not been able to break above based off of previous patterns. I hope that we can break above what it would reflect to. It's that $33 resistance. So you guys see that right here? There's $33 resistance right here, and there's $33 resistance right here. We've tested it twice, and we've gotten rejected twice. This was a week ago or 2 weeks ago, right? Rejected and rejected. It would be amazing to see us trade above $33. But after 2 green days that we've already had this week, and pretty significant ones, 3-4% yesterday, 8% today. I just can't be too certain. With this descending pattern, I can't be too certain. This is why I decided to reduce my position size. In case it does pull back, I can tolerate the pullback. Thinking about worst case scenario. If it does continue to go up, then guess what? I can always go back in. And that's one of the things that I like reminding myself. My job's not to be perfect. My job is just to be prepared. So again, this is something that we can talk a little bit more about in tomorrow's free live trading session. It's nothing special that you have to sign up for. Literally, subscribe to the YouTube channel, drop a thumbs up. I guess you don't have to drop a thumbs up if you don't want to, but I appreciate it. And also make sure you turn on your post notifications. This will alert you when it is that I go live. If you just want the link right now, it's going to be the first link in the description. And make sure you also follow me on Instagram, and that's that third link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. I'm very excited to have you guys be able to watch me trade live tomorrow, and I hope to see you there. So I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.